Welcome back to my obsession. This is Anamika here, and today I am here with this Indian festive makeup tutorial for Radha Ashtami. Now you can wear this look for any occasion and even on your day-to-day basis because this is a very simple and easy to do makeup tutorial. I'm sure many of you will definitely love this look because this is really nice and refreshing as well. If you want to add some more color to your eyes, you can surely go ahead. You can add a wing liner. You can go for a very deep kajal look for this look, and you can just switch to any of the lip colors like nude, anything bold, darker lip shade. I thought of going with this nice reddish pink, which is looking absolutely amazing with my sari. So yeah, I hope you guys will surely enjoy this Radha Ashtami makeup tutorial. I wanted to come up with a Janmashtami makeup tutorial. Unfortunately, I couldn't. Really sorry for that. But yeah, I'm really excited for Radha Ashtami as well. So yeah, watch this makeup tutorial and let me know in the comment section below if you really enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and even hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever I'm coming up with a new video. For behind the scenes, please follow me on all my social media. Everything is there in the description box. I'm there on Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat and even Twitter. So follow me everywhere, and yeah, without wasting much time, let's get into this Radha Ashtami makeup tutorial. So guys, for makeup you have to always remember a step. First you have to clean your face really well, then moisturize and then apply a nice layer of primer, and I have been using this MAC Fix Plus. This is the MAC Prep and Prime. This really helps me getting that long last effect on my skin, and it definitely makes my foundation last very long. So I'm going with this right here, and I'm going to spritz this all over my face. And now for my foundation, I'm going with this Maybelline Superstay 24-Hour Full Coverage Foundation. Now you really need a full coverage foundation for any of the occasion because this really lasts longer for your makeup. It stays for the entire day, so you have to always make sure that your base is really nice and strong. And I'll be going with 2 pumps and I'll dab this all over my face. And now for concealing, I'm going with this Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. This is going to just get over, but absolutely amazing product. You guys should try it out. I'm just going to highlight underneath my eyes, so it's going to give me a very, very fresh looking face. So I'll be going with this right now. And just a little bit on the areas I normally highlight. And I'm again going to blend this with the same sponge. Now before this concealer starts creasing and even settling down into my fine lines, I'm going to apply some powder, and this is the White Super Fresh Compact Powder from Maybelline. And I'm going to dust this on the areas I have concealed, and even I'm going to brush this on my whole face. So today I don't feel like going with a very harsh contour, and just because I don't feel like going with a contour, I'll definitely go with a bronzer, which is going to give me a nice sun-kissed look. And for that I'm going with this bronzer right here. And this is the Makeup Revolution Iconic Blush Bronze and Brighten Flesh palette. And I'll be going with this on the hollows of my cheeks. And that is it. And even lightly on my forehead. And even slightly contour my nose. And As usual, now I'm going to fill in my brows, but today I have a different product to show you, so that's why I'm going to do my brows on the camera, and I'm going to make sure that I'm not taking much time in doing my brows. So yeah, let's do it. So if you have watched my haul video, you guys already know that I recently purchased some product, and this is the new brow product which I'm going to try. This is absolutely new and I'm super excited to try this today. So this is the L'Oreal Brow Artist Genius Kit from L'Oreal. Obviously this is in the shade medium to dark 01. So I'll be using this right now. So I'm going with this angled brush. There you go. And I'll be going with the dark color first. And I'll be starting with the tail side of my brows. And not only I'm filling the sparse area, even I'm going to give a nice shape to my brows, because the last time when I went to pluck my brows, what happened, this girl, she made a disaster of my brows. So you know, this month like I had to go to the old person, the one who used to do my brows, and she actually carved it out really well, but she said that this arch has been taken down. So I'll have to make sure that I am drawing a fake arch. And then I'll be going with the lighter shade from here. And I'll start filling it on the inner side and even make sure that it's looking nice and feathery. There is a fun fact about this, by the way. In this palette, there is two shades right here. The one right here is the darker shade, which is a powder, by the way, and this is the wax. So you know, like I thought it is the light shade. I did not really have much knowledge about this product, but I knew this is a very nice palette, and all over YouTubers rave about this. So I just thought of getting my hands on this, but I really didn't knew like this was a wax and this was a powder. So yeah, I will definitely do a review on this. Just let me know, guys. So I'm going to do this brow off the camera. Till then, yeah, stay tuned. So guys, finally I'm done with my brows and I'm superbly happy because they look really nice. And now I'll be moving on to my eyes. And for that, another new palette, and this is the NYX Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette. This is in the shade Warm Neutral. And the first color I'll be going with this right here. It's a very beautiful peachish brown shade. And I'm going to apply this on my crease area. You can actually see barely any color on camera, but yes, there is a very beautiful and light sheen of color. And now from the same palette, I'll be going with this shadow right here. And I'm applying this on the outer V and even taking this on the crease area and blending both the shades really well. And again, I'll be going with this previous shade and I'll be blending the harsh edges on the crease. And I'm taking this above. And now for the lid color, I'll be going with this nice rose goldish color, which is already there in my sari. The zari is exactly rose gold. So I'll be going with this shade right here. And I'm going to apply this on the lids area. And now I'll be going with the last shade from this palette. This is a very beautiful champagne gold color, and I'm going to apply this on my inner corners and even on my eyebrow bone. So today I really want to go with a very simple and minimal eye look. I really don't want to go with a wing liner or even a thick black kajal. I just want to go with a very thin line of liner on the top lid and just a nude pencil on my lower lid. And then I'm just going to finish off my eyes with mascara. So for the very thin liner, I'm going with this Maybelline Eye Studio eyeliner. This is a gel liner, and I'm going to use the same brush which came with this liner itself. And now I'm going with this nude pencil from Wet n Wild. I'm sorry, I don't remember the name. I'm going to put it in the description box. And now, as I said, I'm going to complete my eyes with a mascara, and for that I'm going with this Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. And I'll be going with a nice coat of mascara on my top and even on my bottom lashes. And now for my blusher, I'm going with this shade right here from Makeup Revolution Iconic Blush Bronze and Brighten Blush palette. And I'm going to apply this lightly on the apples of my cheeks. And for the highlighter, I'm going with this Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. And I'll be going with this on the usual areas I normally always highlight. And a lot of highlighter because I love glowing all day long. So now I'm left with the lipstick, and for that I'm going with, and this is the Maybelline Creamy Matte in the shade Pink My Red. So yeah, I'm going to apply this lipstick. So guys, there you go. This is the complete look, and I hope you all enjoyed because I absolutely love this whole glammed up makeup look. My highlighter is definitely popping and I am absolutely loving this look. So if you want to wear this on your day-to-day basis, like whenever you're going out for work, or like if you want to just wear makeup, you can go for this look. And yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this Radha Ashtami makeup tutorial. So yeah, give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this tutorial, and let me know what you want to watch next. Till then, love you all. Mwah. Bye.